Hey everyone, welcome to 5 Idiots Talking Toys. We're here for a special announcement, so thanks very much for joining us. We are ready to take this channel to the next level, and we are announcing our first giveaway for our subscribers. So we're going to ask all of our fans, all of our viewers, to subscribe to the channel, to comment on this video to be entered into the contest, and to like this video, of course, as well. You can also check us out and follow us on Facebook at 5idiotstalkingtoys.com. I am going to throw this to John for a moment. John, I'm very excited to be here with you guys today so that we can announce this giveaway. It's been in the works for a little while. John, how excited are you?
I am super excited, and I can't wait to see who wins. It's definitely something that people are going to want. It's a desirable, trophy or whatever, and ready to give this thing away.
All right, so our goal here that we've been talking about, our goal with our subscribers and growing the channel is we are looking for 1,000 subscribers, right? We're well on our way there already, but we want to kick it up and offer this collectible up to our viewers. Christopher, what do you have to say about this? 1,000 subscribers. Let's get there.
I just want to say that I think everyone should like and subscribe. And when you see this video, make sure you comment subscribed on it, because you want to be entered into this giveaway. That's all I'm going to say.
All right. So it's fair to say we're going to be following who's subscribed and entering the making the entries based on the comments for this video that you're watching right now. Brandon, thoughts?
Let's get to it.
A man of few words. All right, we're going to throw it over to Charles. He is our prize master. He is holding the key to the castle. Charles, let's now reveal what the giveaway is once we hit that number 1,000 subscribers.
Our prize at 1,000 subscribers is going to be a graded. It is not going to be a Lobot. It is a graded Boba Fett. 80 grade CAS. New case. Very nice. Comes with the SOA. And we are going to ship it to the one person we pick after we get 1,000 subscribers.
So you mean to tell me that someone's going to win that for free, and all they have to do is like and subscribe the video and comment subscribe, and someone's going to win that when we get 1,000 subs?
That is correct. You can live anywhere in the world. If you live in Australia, New Jersey, or wherever, we're going to ship it to you for free, and you are going to get this.
So you're saying if they live in Lake Titicaca, we will ship a free graded Boba Fett there?
That is correct.
It will be hand delivered to Lake Titicaca.
Brandon, now how far have you done the research? How far are you from Lake Titicaca?
I didn't say I was going to deliver it.
All right. So just to be clear, we will share the full rules and parameters in the description section below. So expand that, check that out, smash the like button on this video, but you have to subscribe to the channel. So 5 Idiots Talking Toys on YouTube, subscribe, hit that button, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of each of our new videos, which are once a week or so. So it's not going to be a lot of notifications, but and also go to Facebook, check us out there, follow us there, because you'll hear everything about the show and some additional stuff there. But subscribe to the channel, comment below, and that's the way you're going to submit your entry into this contest. And then check out the description for all the details. We will randomly pick the video, the winner on video once we have 1,000 subscribers, and we will be announcing that video ahead of time so everybody can tune in and check out the winner. And we're all very excited to be able to pass this on to somebody who is a fan of ours and a viewer of ours. Guys, anything else you want to add? Let's kick this thing off.
once you subscribe, it's still not over. You got to let all your friends know so we can hit that 1,000 mark as fast as possible.
Yeah, that's a really good point, Charles. If you like the video, you subscribe, you comment, we still got to get to 1,000 first. So you're not going to be in the zone where you can actually win until we get there. So share this with everybody you know who's a collector, a fan of toys, a fan of vintage of action figures and all. And let's get them on here as well and get that number to 1,000 and pick a winner.
Tell your wife, tell your kids, tell your family, tell everybody to subscribe up in here.
All right, guys.
To have this also coincide with the premiere, the kickoff of this giveaway with the premiere of the Book of Boba Fett. What a better prize.
Yeah, fair enough. We're all very excited about the show, except for Charles. He's a negative Nancy, and he's a Debbie Downer. And he's going to not watch the show until next year when all the episodes are able to binge in one day. But the rest of us are excited. We're excited to give away this Boba Fett. We had to force Charles to agree to this figure because he hates Boba Fett and everything about it, the show. He's smiling. Is that not correct, Charles?
Well, I just want to say that I do not hate Boba Fett. I actually love Boba Fett. But I think the show is not going to be good. But we'll see.
Is that the giveaway for our 2,000th subscriber?
That might be for the 100,000 subscriber.
All right, very good. Well, thank you everyone for checking out this video. You've now heard what our giveaway is going to be. It is in full effect. Please go ahead, get yourself entered right now and share this video with everybody you know in the groups that you're in, and let's get the number to 1,000 so we can give this away. And good luck to all of you out there. Hopefully you'll be the winner. Thanks very much. Peace.